Back again to software engineering division. I'm super excited to be making this video right now. Also, I'm appreciating God for you guys out there watching this video right now. All right, before I'm going to start this video, I just want to give a disclaimer that honestly, this channel and this video is not for everybody. This video is for specifically for those sets of people, who have a vision for their life. And also, I'll be speaking to Nigeria software developers, especially this channel is created for Nigeria software developers, right? It can be front end, back end, cyber security, AI analyst. This channel is for you. All right, I just want to be talking about this video that the Spirit of God put in my heart, which is very, very important. Is the topic is why most Nigeria self-taught developers and why most Nigeria computer science why they feed in the world of tech and software engineering. Honestly speaking, I'll just be there are many reasons, but I think that for me alone, for me personally, this is the key reason that I've come up with, that I've seen that's causing a lot of people, especially Nigerian software engineers, the feed, right? I jot them down so that I'm not going to make a mistake. Number one, which I'm going to be talking real quick, is that it's a theory. I tag it this way. Number one, I say theory without practice is equal to certificate without power. Let me say that again. Theory without practice is equal to certificate without power. Why did I come up with this? First of all, you all know that right now I'm a 200 level studying computer science at National Open University Nigeria. Honestly, what we do is that they are not going to teach you they are not just going to teach you. It's not just in National Open University. Almost all the universities, especially in Nigeria, especially when it comes to computer science, nobody's going to teach you how to code. Nobody's going to teach you all what they are going to be doing is that they are going to give you the material. They are going to teach you the theory, what the theory you need. Like they are going to teach you algorithm, teach you computer, teach you even they are going to show you some basic code. Like me, my last course that I was doing, I was so angry and frustrated at the same time. Whether they were teaching us algorithm, time complexities, space complexities. They will just, you know what they do? They will just put. It's not that I'm trying to degrade them, but I'm just changing our reality right now. They will just put some codes there like loops, put them. You that don't understand code, I tell you, you will not understand anything. For example, now and especially what we do is that we need to pass exam. We need cram pass exam. Once we have graduated to, for example, now from 100 level to 200 level, everything that you learn from 100 level, everything are flush out. Now you're at 200 level, everything you learn from the world of 100 level, you're flush out. And if you graduate after, if you are following this path and you graduate, I tell you, when you come to real world, especially when you start looking for a job or you have a vision to start or something, you see that you know that there's something lacking behind. By that time, you not discover that, oh, I just wasted 4 years, I just wasted 5 years, I just wasted my resources in wasted 4 years in school. And that's why a lot of people are telling you that you don't have to go to school to learn programming, but that's not my major topic, right? And my major emphasis is that he said theory without practice is equal to certificate. You might have that certificate that you study computer science. Okay, now they sit you in front of a computer. Now write a program or do this. Now you discover that I'm blank. I'm not. There's nothing. Even if it's not coding, they say, okay, now we have some students that you want to teach. Teach them computer, teach them RAM, teach them how the computer function, teach them the talk about. You see that most people, what they do is that they cram the words to pass exam just to have the certificate. But I tell you, the certificate is extremely important, don't get me wrong. But if that is the only thing you have, you'll be replaced. Alright, the next point I'll be talking about, no, let me just give you two solutions for this first point. That what I will really advise each and every one of my self-taught developer, especially in Nigeria or within Africa, please start to build. You might be in 100 level right now. Don't say, I have to wait. Start to build. Start with HTML. Start with front-end development. Start with anything that you really want. You can be AI, you can be cyber security, you can be data analyst, you can be. There are so many. There are so many, right? But my recommendation to you is that you should start with front-end development. Start with HTML. I believe if you go back to my channel, you're going to see I started from the very basic, from HTML, started with CSS, started with JavaScript. Even some of the projects I posted here, they are so basic that you might even laugh at them. But I tell you that I didn't stop to show you that what I'm really understanding. Even when I don't want to waste time in this video. Even when I was seeing those loops, I was so happy because right now there is not just right now if I'm reading my textbook, I'm not just reading theory. I know that I have practiced most of all these things like loops, variables. You can even define variables, but you can know what variable is. Okay, now they give you in front of a computer now. Write a variable, store a data inside the variable. You discover that, oh, I can't do it. If you are in this part, you are going to fail. You are going to be replaced by AI. The second part I'm talking about is the truth that it's not relying on God to give them vision with their respective skills. This is extremely important. This is one of my major things. Let me say it again if you didn't hear me well. Said not relying on God to give them vision with their skill. For example, now you can be a front-end developer, you can be a back-end developer, you can be a cyber security, you can be a UI or US, you can be data analyst. There are so many of them. But I tell you, don't just I don't really know your tradition. You might be a Muslim, but I'm also talking to my Christian brother, right? Don't just rely on yourself that, oh, I'm not a guru. No, that's why a lot of people right now they are afraid that, oh, AI is going to take my job. There are many things. No, if you go to God, for example, now you can build a full stack application. Go to God and, oh Lord, what do you want to do? This kid that I've learned, which problem can I solve in my country? Which problem can I solve in my state? Which problem can I solve in my school, in my family? What can I use this my skill? Go and meet God. God is the only one that can show you a specific thing that you can use that your skill to solve, and you discover that you are start making massive impact, not just for yourself alone, but for your generation. Right, like me as a case study, let me share you my own story. When I started, I tell you, I shared this story before, but I want to share it again to show you that it's extremely important. When I started learning programming, before I started HTML, I've started HTML before God gave me a vision. I started HTML, started CSS, I'm already in JavaScript before God finally gave me vision. What is this vision? Is that because even before I choose computer science, I want to meet God at God. Which course do you want me to study? God opened my eyes to see in my dream that it is computer science. I went back again, which university, to show you that I was so specific and was eager that God must be the one that must be leading me. I don't want to do anything of myself because the role of this thing is saturated. That's what a lot of people, but me, I don't believe that web development or cyber security, these are all saturated. I believe that there are more problems that you can use this to solve. That even Elon Musk himself, Sam Altman himself, this big tech company, what is this man's name, Bill Gates, there are many things that they have not solved, and I believe that God is the one that knows these things. Okay, let me give you one for my country right now. God gave me a vision to build a national biometric system that will scale across the 36 states in Nigeria. Not just that, to build a national surveillance system. I believe most of you that might be hearing me might say, in Nigeria, you can't, that is not possible. But as far as this vision is not for me, I don't really know how God is going to do it. Honestly, all I just have to do is to learn the skill and depend on Him to carry out this agenda, right? So the second reason why a lot of people are going to fail, why a lot of computer science majors are failing in Nigeria, not just Nigeria, within Africa as a whole, is that they don't rely on God. They did that. Their message is that, okay, once I graduated from my school, what I'm going to do next is start looking for job, start doing Upwork, freelancing, IT. Those things are extremely beautiful. Even me myself, I'm trying to, try to do IT, but my major mindset right now is not to get to IT. It's not to work in an organization. It's that after I learned front end, back end, and learned AI, I want to start up my own startup. Yes, that's what that's what I want to do. Honestly, I don't want to depend on say I might only be in 300 level right now, say, because next year I'll be in 300 level and I will have my own startup. Start building security system. That is it, man. All right, the last point I'm going to be making here, because I don't want this video to be extremely long, is that fear of starting. This is the last point. I met one of my classmates. Most of my classmates, they all come because I am a computer science major. Most of my classmates, they are computer science major. Most of them, God. I asked them that, okay, what are your plans? You know what I'm saying? They're saying, let me first of all graduate first. What do you mean? What do you first of all graduate first? Are you serious right now? Do you know where this world is going? In the next 2 years, you know how AI is going to thrive in this world? And oh God, I don't want to fear of starting. Don't wait to say, you first of all graduate. No, you are wasting time. Yeah, that's why most universities today, they are teaching theory. The theory is beautiful, the theory is important, but it will not help you that far. I'm telling you. Do you know that even my own said they're teaching me Pascal Kobo from Fortran, formula translator, teach me common business oriented language. I'm not here to define all these things. Teach me basic. They still use Visual Basic, but Kobo, Fortran, all those things they are long gone. They are long gone, right? This is just the problem most computer science major they have not understood. That's why most of them will be replaced. Talking about algorithm, I was reading algorithm in my course. I was disoriented. Why? Because these are not concepts you need to just understand in theory. You can understand time complexity, space complexity, big O notation. Then you just big O notation. God. I was studying. Oh God, there are society things I can't share here. But I just hope that you get this thing. This video meets the right person at the time, so that you won't just waste time. You can be 200 level. Start with HTML. You can be 300 level and you said you have been procrastinating. This is the right time. That's why I'm making this video right now. If you are watching this video, it means God loves you so much for him to share this video with you, for him to recommend the algorithm of YouTube to show you this video right now. It means that God wants you to, especially in the computer science, God wants you to start off something, because there's something big that is actually coming, especially for Nigeria. Most people don't believe it, but there's so much believe it, and I'm so going to engage myself in these things until we see the drastic and the powerful change caused by God in the life and in the citizens of Nigeria, not just the citizens, in the whole of Nigeria. All right, I know I'm a all right, I'm super excited. Please start up with something. Start building that skill. Like me, I'm even planning on learning how to use Excel with my programming skill right now. I'm trying to learn. I want to learn how to do Excel, PowerPoint, and I just want to learn everything that a computer science need to understand. And also, once I've understood all this basic, then I will now go deep into algorithm, because this is where the boss is: algorithm and operating system. Every computer science major need to understand that two powerful skills. You need to understand algorithm, and you need to understand operating system, and you need to understand C language, because C language is is combined with operating system. All right, thank you very much. I don't want this video to I don't want to extend it right from here. Thank you very much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to computer science major. Please don't share it to any other person. Those people that you know that they are computer science major, they are software developer, please share this video to them. Thank you very much. Bye.